Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is fun, simple, and practical. All right, we have another question here under the topic simple interest. How much interest is earned on 1,600 naira for 2 years at 6% per annum? How much interest is earned on 1,600 naira for 2 years at 6% per annum? Okay, then we recall the formula, right? So the formula is principal times rate times time. Yeah, that's actually the formula. But we can now take the 100 from rate and then put it down here. So that's it. So now we have the principal as 1,600 naira. We have the rate as 6%. We have the time as 2 years. All right, 2 years. All right, so let's slot in this into the formula. Replace P with 1,600 naira, and then R will replace 6, and then time is 2, and then all over the 100 of the rate. So these two zeros, we take these two zeros, all right? So that means the 100 divided by 100, 1. 1,600 divided by 100, 16. All right, and we are left with 16 times 6 times 12. All right, you can decide to go that way or you come this way. All right, so I'll do 2 times 6 is 12, and then 12 times 16. So I'll go, let me show you this. 12 times 16. Since I know the multiplication of 12, I'm going to use it all once. So I'll do 12 times 6. 12 times 6 is 72. So I have 2 and 7. Then 12 times 1 is 12. Then plus 7, that's 19. So at the end of the day, I have 192. So have you done that before? You can try it. If you're multiplying by 2 digits, and you know the multiplication fact or the multiplication table of the 2 digits, then you can just use it as if it's 1 and then use it to multiply. So we did 12 times 6, 72, 2 carry 7, 12 times 1, 12 plus 7 equals 19, right? If you want to do the conventional way, look at it here. You have 2 times, multiply by 2 first. 2 times 6 is 12, and then 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 1, 1. And then you have 2 when we add. You have 9 and you have 1. 192, 192. All right, so the final answer is 192 naira. 192 naira. All right, that's our final answer. All right, so the interest that will be earned on 1,600 naira if it's invested for 2 years or borrowed for 2 years, all right, at 6% per year will be 192 naira. Thank you. Bye.